Cup in Qatar has taught us many lessons about people, about life, and about the beautiful game of football. The Maverick was on the go today in the community of Trenchtown, a place now known as Brazil Central or Little Sao Paulo. This was, of course, during and immediately after the Brazil round of 16 win over South Korea. And there were some social dynamics from a Jamaican perspective that were conspicuous and poignant. This is an era that has been characterized by conflicts, tensions, and violence for many years and indeed decades. But since the start of the World Cup, the violence has ceased. And whenever Brazil plays and wins, which is more often than not, these are the scenes of uninhibited and positive joy and unity involving residents from all the neighboring communities, people from Rima, Arnett Gardens, aka Jungle, Rosetown, even people from Tivoli, thousands of Jamaican men, women, and children in unity, jumping and dancing in the streets of the world-famous Trenchtown. Not a fuss, not a fight, only football and only Brazil.